Question. There are more problems with students' behavior in many countries. What are the causes and what are your solutions? The key is asking for your opinion of causes and solutions. This thesis statement provides an answer to the cause, which is the modern lifestyle that is responsible for this. Then it breaks down into topic sentence 1 that it is caused by the smaller families due to the birth rate decreasing. However, the blame is in the second topic sentence, which is not supporting the thesis statement as another one of lifestyle. The essay question is not part of your writing, and it should be answered by the thesis statements only, remember. So, this essay has only one subtopic to support the main idea, which is barely enough. If you don't know whom each topic sentence shall serve, question or thesis statement, then what would you do? Both of topic sentence 1 and topic sentence 2 must be included in the thesis statement. Otherwise, it is off-topic stuff, which will occupy half of the weight of an essay.